Na go tigana na yubono ni gabwatani kuro chinsemo bagendete kuri berengere byabo anane goro y'umuriburi bo asala fanda oyubono murayibwense William Samuel Ruto atebe serikali ya ine chikobeka chibesa ensemo echira konya nabasaye abo balichi hasala asokonyera wekinya na kwegendereria nigo chinga kiyo cy'umuriburi yora chiko cyakabene stariki 30 mutyenge kominomo abwase kurende berengeri bigenderete kuri wakorenga na bwatani bande nigo bateberuna eganga yabene no konyara kone kibuna chibesa chiri chikorwe gwa anebuna interest ngoji chirego ke wana boigo bai gwa matuka mange asokonyara gwa kana chibesecho.
Regulation number 7 provides for the objects and the purpose of the fund, which includes the following. Number 1, innovate, develop and deploy bottom of the pyramid financial services. Products that are affordable, accessible, and appropriate for the unserved and deserved persons, including credit savings, insurance, and investment products.
For us in the youth fund, there's another fund which was created called the Ways of Fund. There are so many funds which are existing, but this one, we want to put it, we are moving quite unique. And what we are now saying, we want to move from consumption to savings. The nitty-gritty of us, we are giving that to the board to come up with those products. And what we are proposing is that we are want to encourage the element of saving culture. As you borrow, maybe to take care of your domestic consumption, here now,